today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean a walleye with a Rapala Electric Fillet Knife. So I'm going to get right to it. What you're going to want to do is you're going to pull back this fin, find the back of the head and the back of that gill plate right here, and you're going to make an incision down towards the belly like this. Cut down into the belly because that releases it. It's easy to cut through. And then what you're going to do is just work your way down the back plate, rotating your knife as you go down, feeling that backbone. When you get to the end, you're going to slow it down, flip it over, and then you're left with a little piece of skin on. So then you can just skin it like this. You're just going to work your way down. And it should cut right through like that. Then you're left with just a fillet and the ribs. Then for the ribs, you're going to take it, and you're just going to work your way down the ribs like this. The ribs kind of curve down like that, so you're just going to feel them and kind of work your way down. Like that, ribs are out. Of course, you're going to lose a little bit of meat, the belly meat. If you're doing it with a normal fillet knife, you can usually get more, but electric knives just way faster. So then you're left with a boneless fillet if you did it right. But one step I recommend doing, just to ensure you got all the bones and you want a clean fillet with no bloodline, is you're going to zipper it. You can do this with many fish. Different crappies it works with, pike it works with, and walleye it works with. And I haven't tried others, but I'm sure it works with them. So you're going to find your bloodline right here. This is your bloodline. Let's try to show it a little bit better. This right here is your bloodline working up. So what we're going to do is make an incision on each side so you can grab it and pull it apart like this. So then you got your two incisions, and then you're just going to zipper it. Why I call it zippering is because you just kind of zip it, like pull like a zipper. There's one boneless fillet. It's like your tenderloin. Throw that in your pile, your done pile. Then you zipper the other side, and your bloodline just pulls out like this. Just like that, bloodline's out, and you got a completely boneless, safe fillet to eat. Gorgeous. Then for the other side of the walleye, it's pretty much the exact same, except you're working a little backwards because the head will be towards you, and you don't want to switch your hands or work the other way. So what you're going to do is, once again, point the head. You want to cut towards the head like this and down to the belly. So cut down like that. And then you just work your way down like the last one and do the same thing with the skin. Gonna rain? Just like that, you zipper it and then you're done. And that's how you clean a walleye with electric fillet knife. Specifically the Rapala one.